Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to design this circle background in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. First we will select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a circle. Now we will set the equal size of the circle. Now we will place on the center of the page. Now we will decrease inside with the shift key. Then we will right click to make a copy. Now we will zoom and we will select the circles. Now we will click on back minus front. Now we'll select this and we will fill color. Now we will remove the outline by right click. Now we will drag inside like this and we will right click to make a copy. Now we will give a different color to this circle. Now we'll select all. Now we'll right click, then group. Now we'll select this. And we will drag inside like this with the shift key. Now we will right click. Now again we will select and we will drag inside with the shift key. We will make one more copy. Now we'll select this and we will fill single color in this. Now we'll make a copy of this circle by drag and right click. Now we'll select first one and we will go to the effects menu. Then we will select blur. Then we will select Gaussian blur. Now we will adjust the radius size. Now we select this blur circle and we will do Ctrl Z and Ctrl V to make a copy. Now we select this circle and the blur circle and we will set the align. First we will click on selected objects, then align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we will select this and we will fill white color in this circle. Now we'll select the 2-point line tool from the toolbar and we will draw a line like this. Now we'll select the shape tool from the toolbar. Now we'll click on the line. Then we will select convert to curve. Now we'll drag the handles. Now we'll select this line and we will change the color by right click. Now we will increase the size of the line. Now we'll select the line and we will make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will select the first line and we will go to the effects menu. Then we will select blur, then Gaussian blur. Now we will adjust the radius size. Now select both lines and we will set the align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a small circle. Now we'll select the interactive fill tool from the toolbar and we will apply on the small circle. Now we'll select the fountain fill. Now we will remove the extra colors. We will keep only 2 colors. Now we will change the colors. We will select the color with the color eyedropper tool. Now we will remove the outline by right click. Now I'll place this circle here. Now we will decrease the size like this. Now I'll make a copy of this line in the circle. Now I'll decrease the size. Now we'll place here. Now we'll double click and we will rotate like this. Now we will decrease the size. Now we will zoom and we will adjust the position. Now we will adjust the size. Double click and we will rotate like this. We will place like this. I will make one more copy of this and place here. Then we will adjust the size. Now we select all 3 lines. Then we will right click, then group. Now we'll select this. Now we'll double click. Now we will set the center point with the circle center point. Now we will click on transform. Now we will write in the angle 360 by 20. We will keep 19 copies. Then we will apply. Now we will select all and then group. Now we will select and we will decrease the size. Now we will set the align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now again we will select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a small circle. Now we will set the equal size of the circle. Now we will fill color in this circle and we will remove the outline. Now we will decrease the size of the circle. We will make a small dot like this. I will make 1 or 2 more copies and we will give a different size. Now we will double click on the small dot and we will set the center point with the background center point. Then we will click on transform. Now we will make a copies like this. Again we will make more copies. We will follow the same procedure and randomly we will make a copies of this small dots. We will follow the same procedure and we will make dots like this. select all and we will decrease the size. Now again we will adjust the size. Now in the center of this background we can place our logo or a company name or a brand name. Now we'll select the text tool. For example, I am writing my channel name. Now we will set the font style. Now I'll decrease the size. Now we'll fill color. We will make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will select the first text and we will go to the effects menu, then we will select blur, then Gaussian blur. We will keep the radius around 12. Now we will select the second text and we will select both and we will set the align. Now we will give a white color to this text and we will give a pink outline by right click. Now we will select the text properties. Now we will increase the size of the outline. Now again we will select the text tool and we will select the same font style. Now we will write graphics. Now we'll place here. Now we'll select this M letter text and we will adjust the position with the arrow key. Now we will increase the size of the text and we will change the color. So guys, our circle background design is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.